Well, hey guys, welcome to my channel. You're probably wondering what I'm doing in my bedroom. If you have been on my channel long enough, you recognize that this is in my bedroom. Well, I am doing this video on early Sunday afternoon, and my husband is watching football downstairs. And I'm not going to start watching until the Broncos play later, so I thought I'd do a quick video. Now, I thought I'd do a little recap of my weekend here before we get into the witch's shoes that you saw in the description. And today's been pretty good so far. Like I said, so far, things can happen. Now, yesterday on Saturday, it wasn't too bad of a day. Started out good, ended up kind of bad, a little bit. Early Saturday morning, my husband decides he wants to go get a few more snow shovels at Home Depot. Because as you saw in my video, we got about 6 inches of snow and we still had some on the deck. And we needed a couple more for the balcony over here and one for the deck off the study. So while he was out, he decided to go to Sam's. Now you probably noticed my shirt. What do you think? He got this for me. Can you believe it? Did he do good? Yeah. I actually saw this one there, but I got 2 other different ones. But he also got me a couple more items. Now, this is what he got me. This is a maroon color. Now this sweatshirt, I kind of was like, it's a little big, isn't it? I have already washed these and they didn't shrink. But he said, well, they're just for hanging around the house. So I thought, okay, well, there's that one. And this blue one here. They are very soft and ready to start wearing them. Actually, you know what? They smell really good because they just washed them yesterday. Now, that was one good thing. And when he came home, I decided I was going to run over to Pier 1 because my next video, we're going to be doing a tablescape for Halloween. And if you can believe it or not, I need black napkins. None. I have none. No solid black napkins. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. Of all the napkins I have, and I have tons of napkins. I have plaid black ones. I have the buffalo check ones. I have some that have the script writing on them. No, plain black. So I thought I'd go to Pier 1 and see what they had. And you know what? They actually had a sale going on. 25% off of everything. And that was things that were already on sale and clearance items. So I ended up getting a few things for my tablescape. Plus, they had some clearance items that I'm going to show you on the tablescape. I won't tell you anything about them now. But I got an extra 25% off. So I thought that was pretty good for Pier 1. So I brought all my stuff home and I asked my husband, I said, are you wanting to go get new phones? Because he's been bugging me about getting new phones. I mean, we haven't had new phones, I don't know, 6, 7 years. It's been a long time. We hardly use our phones. And I just started doing videos on mine. So he was always telling me, oh, you need to get a new phone. You need to get a new computer. Even my computer that I use here at home, it's 10 years old and it's super slow. I mainly like to do my editing at work on my video there because it's a newer one and it goes faster. But you know, on the weekend, I got to do it here for my Monday videos. And sometimes it can take 3 to 4 hours to get everything done with all the editing and the uploading on YouTube. So I'm like, okay, let's go get new phones. Well, that was pretty easy to go get the new phones. Nothing happened. I had to figure out a few things on the phone here. It's a little different, especially right now doing my video. Yeah, it has like a mirror thing. So like when I started looking at this was backwards. And I'm like, that's not good. Took me forever to figure out how to get that on right. You know, I don't know why they had it set like that. So we got the new phones really quick and easy. And we went to go get a little bit to eat. And then we were going to head over to Best Buy and get a new computer. So that's where it kind of went bad, was the computer. So I don't know anything about computers. I am not the smartphone or computer savvy kind of gal. No, I need something simple, easy, explain it to me. So we're telling the guy there at Best Buy what I want my computer for. It's just mainly to do my video editing and uploading videos because I use my little laptop for everything else. And so he suggests this gaming computer. And I'm like, a gaming computer? I don't know about that. So we went ahead and got it. Brought it home. Now, it doesn't come with a monitor, but I thought, well, I'll just use my existing monitor. No, it didn't work out good. The connection to my existing monitor does not fit on the back of that one. And the HDMI cable that you can use on the new tower computer. I don't have an HDMI connection on my monitor. Like I said, it's 10 years old. So my husband had to drive all the way back to Best Buy and get me a monitor. So he brings it home. I hook it up. The only way to hook it up is with the HDMI cable. That's all it came with it. So I did that. I couldn't get it to work. It kept messing up, saying analog, then it'd say HDMI, and then it would just go black. And I'm like, what's going on? So the troubleshooting said thing that if it just stayed on for a second and went off the screen, to hit any key on the keyboard or use the mouse. So I did that. Still didn't work. I think I messed with that thing for like 30 minutes. I could not get it to work. I said, that's it. I'm done. I'm packing it up. I'm taking everything back to Best Buy. I said, I need something easy for me. So pack everything up. We go back to Best Buy. We take it up to the customer service. We're explaining it. And so somebody happens to come up there and they were saying, oh, well, what's wrong with this? And I explained to him, I said, I think I just want one of those all-in-ones. Is that something I can use? He says, yeah, let me show you. So he was the one we should have had the first time. So, you definitely got to get the younger kids there because they're on computers all the time and they know what to do. So I got me an all-in-one. All I have to do is plug it in, and that is the best thing. Now that is another learning thing on it too with the editing. It's different than what I've used. So hopefully this video is going to turn out good for you guys. This is my test for it, and it's taken me a little while to do this. So we're going to be doing those DIY witch shoes. Now I got them down here, so let me grab them real quick. Now, I was getting out my Halloween bins this morning and pulling everything out so I could do my, I'm actually doing a masquerade party theme the first time in the dining room. And I was pulling things out and I found these. I'm like, oh yeah, this would be really neat to show you guys how to do this. Unfortunately, I made these 3 years ago, but I did take some pictures, not a whole lot of pictures, but kind of step by step that I did on my blog 3 years ago. But basically, it's really simple to do. And these are real shoes that I got. So I'm going to show you a quick little video on how I did these. The first thing I did was get some shoes at Goodwill. I got these, I think, for around $3. I like that it had a heel to it and it had a buckle on it because I want to have a buckle for the shoe. I have some black duct tape, some packing paper, and some thin cardboard here. Now the packing paper is for the tip of the shoe. Now you could also use tissue paper or newspaper if you don't happen to have packing paper. I just happen to have some in the house, so that's what I used. So now I have taken the part of the packing paper, how much I want to use to make my tip of the shoe, and I've taped it on. Now I continued with the duct tape on the packing paper, and as you're going, you can shape how you want the tip to be. So here's how it turned out. I know it doesn't look perfect, a little crumply looking, but it's a witch's shoe. And I have another plan for down here at the base. Next, I want to get the thin cardboard and cut my shapes to put at the back of the shoe. Now that I've done that, you can curl the cardboard a little bit, and I want to go ahead and put more of the duct tape on here to hold it to that shape. And then once that's done, then you decide what you want to do. So here's how it looked when I got all that done, and I didn't like how the duct tape was super shiny compared to the rest of the shoe. So I decided to get some black craft paint that I had and paint the whole shoe up that way. And I also got some orange paint because I wanted to add some orange to it. So here's how the shoe turned out. I painted the strap on the buckle orange, and I did the wooden end of my paintbrush and dipped it in black and made the dots. And then I did the same thing on the back of the shoe with the orange paint. And the glitter part, that's just purple glitter, and I used Mod Podge on there first, and then I put all the glitter on. And I really like how this turned out. And the good part is, since I used a real shoe, You could probably wear this too. I don't see why not. Of course, this wasn't my size, so I couldn't wear it. I'm just going to use it for decor. But that is how you do it. Okay, well, I hope that the video helped you out to figure out how to do these. Like I said, it really is simple. It's not hard. It didn't take me that long. And you know what, as I get to looking at this, I don't even know if I even like these polka dots anymore on here. This might go glitter. I think I might have orange glitter. I don't know. I'll have to see. That'll look kind of neat with the orange glitter. So, like I said, I was going to be doing a tablescape for Wednesday. And it is going to be what I'm calling a haunted masquerade party, and you're all invited to come. I got just one little snippet here for you to see of what's going on in my dining room right now. Well, I hope I didn't give too much away with that little snippet. Now, we will be doing the tablescape on the video for Wednesday together. And like I said, it's a masquerade party. You never know who's going to show up. So I hope that you enjoyed my video today. And I want to wish everybody a very wonderful day. And I'll see you next time. Bye for now.